In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the page title in Clickfunnels. This is a simple but really important tweak because your page title is what people see in their browser tab and in search results. A clear, accurate title makes your funnel look more professional and helps visitors know they're in the right place. First, log into your Clickfunnels account and look at the menu on the left-hand side of your screen. In that left sidebar, find and click on the option labeled Funnels. This will open a list of all the funnels you've created in your account. Take a moment to locate the specific funnel that contains the page you want to update. If you have a lot of funnels, you can use the search bar or scroll until you see the right one, then click on it to open it. Once your funnel is open, you'll see the different steps or pages that make up that funnel, usually listed in order from top to bottom. Find the exact page whose title you want to change. On the right side of that page's row, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots, often called the More Options menu. Click on those 3 dots and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, choose the option labeled Page Settings. This will open a panel or a new screen with various settings related to that specific page. In these settings, look for the field called Name. This is where you can edit the page title. Click into the Name field and type in your new title. Make sure it clearly describes what the page is about. For example, instead of something generic like Page 1, you might use Free ebook opt-in or Webinar registration. Keeping your titles descriptive and consistent will help you stay organized, and it also looks better to your visitors. After you've updated the name field and you're happy with how it looks, you need to save your changes. Look for the button labeled Update Page and click it. This step is crucial. If you navigate away without clicking Update Page, your new title won't be saved. Once that's done, your page title is officially updated. You can go back to your funnel overview to confirm the change, and you should see the new title reflected there. That's all there is to it. Open your funnel, go to Page Settings for the page you want, edit the name field, and click Update